This is Scott Baker with River to River Log Homes. We're up today here in McCall, Idaho. Finished this house. A lot of our videos show everything in progress. This is a home we finished here, so I thought I'd show you how it turned out. I did a video on this a couple weeks ago. So we finished this. We had some epoxy repairs and then replaced a log and some other things. This home had a lot of work to it. We ended up sanding down this entire side here and this other back side I'm going to step around here too also. So we had an epoxy repair, some on this side, some different parts here that we epoxied. So let's see here, where's that? We had some epoxy right here actually that we repaired. And then around the corner here, this other side was in really rough shape. We got this whole thing sanded down here. We had a log here actually under the window here, this log right here. We had to replace this log. And then we had some other epoxy repairs over here also. So we had an epoxy repair back over here too also that we did right here too also. So we got this home all shined up. Homeowner was really excited to see how it turned out. So a lot of caulking, a lot of staining, a lot of sealing, epoxy repairs, log replacement, got them all fixed up. So anything you need for your log home, caulking, staining, sealing, and also new construction, give us a call. And remember, be one with nature in the log home of your dreams.